Well, what's going on, adventure seekers? It's Ryan from CB Adventure Supply here. We finished up the Toyota Tacoma with the Alu-Cab Canopy Camper, so I thought I'd kind of walk you guys through that real quick and show you all the features that it has. Let's see here. Turn the camera around. Hopefully it's not too windy out here, but you can see this is the Canopy Camper. And this right here, I don't have it deployed, but that's the shower cube. And then inside here we have the water tank, and there's the spigot for the water tank. Fills from right here. The hose across the top, that's your air vent. And then over here you can see we've got the goose gear panel with the electrical. Actually, let's go turn the power on. Probably should have done that before I started my video, but we'll go ahead and flip the cabin lights on so you guys can see the inside. You can see it's got the National Luna lights. You can see right here, so you can cycle through the levels of brightness, and you can also touch and hold and switch them to red. So that works really, really well. This camper also has the rain gutter for the awning, so it keeps water from coming over the door when it is raining and you've got the awning deployed. It keeps you dry in your egress there. You can see we've got the propane tank with the hose running down here. Mountain State Overland did a great video on their setup, and I pretty much mimicked that. The line runs across and comes up in this blank off plate, and that's where you get your fireplace, and that thing is awesome. Hey Adam, how are you? See, trying to think of all the features. This thing's got so much. It's got a rear tire carrier on the back door. Customer didn't drop it off with a spare tire, so I can't mount that. We've got the shadow awning. Oh, we've got the bug screens on the doors, and these velcro in so you can take them out really easily. They also have a canvas flap that rolls down. You can see that there's this one on this door. I didn't install that one yet, but the velcro's there. And then I'll flip the camera around here, and you can see above my head there's one here for the main entrance, right here. It has both the canvas and the screen, so if you're in an area that I did go over the fireplace. Here, I'll show you. There it is right there. You can see that there's a knob right here. You unscrew this, the door swings open, you light it using the gas knob here. It does have a fan in it, so that's the on-off switch for the fan, and then the fan speed right there. And the exhaust goes up through and out of the camper above the canopy. And this is what's called a direct vent heater. So this is your intake and your exhaust. So this pipe here on the outside doesn't get hot to the touch. That's actually the intake. The exhaust runs up through the center and comes out through that top section right there. So you don't have to worry about burning yourselves on it. Trying to think of what other features we did. We did do the GP factor tables on here with the MOLLE plates above it, so you can store a medic bag or any fun features, maybe a radio, things like that. Let's see. We do have up here at the front, we do have a table that stows. So you pull that pin and this stainless steel table slides out. It's got an aluminum frame, and it does have gas struts on the legs, which actually, now that I've tried it, I really like it. It makes it easier to set it up. And I'm gonna crawl up inside here, and you can see this is inside the tent. Now the light's red up there and I can't reach it from where I'm standing, so hopefully you'll get the idea. There's some little bit more light, but you got storage bags on the sides or on the roof, and then over here on the side next to the bed here, we'll pop this up so I can show you, so now you can see a little bit better. There's 2 USB ports and 2 12-volt sockets on either side, as well as what they refer to as stock lights. So So when the bed's down, you flip these out, and I'll turn on the lights, and it has an on-off switch right here. This is more of like a reading light if you're laying in bed. Swing around here to the electrical panel since we're inside. You'll see we do have the ambient temperature, and that's the sensor for that right there. Having the heater inside here gives you an idea of what the temperature is. We have two 4-amp USB ports here, a 12-volt socket there. We have, that's the main circuit breaker for here in the rear. We've got the Victron BMV 712 for monitoring our battery and the amount of power we have stored in the battery system in the truck. And then this 40-amp breaker right here is for our 180-watt solar panel up on the roof. As far as switches go, we've got the accessories, which are these two ports, cabin lights, which turn on all the National Luna lights inside the camper. We have the electronics, which make those USB ports up near the bed hot. The spreader lights are the stock lights that fold out of the sides near the bed. And then we have the blower for the fireplace over here on that side. So a lot of cool features, a lot of work went into this, but I'm really happy with it, and I'm sure the customer will be too. So if you guys have any questions about Alu-Cab Canopy Camper, the Kaya Camper, or their Gen 3 rooftop tents and awnings, give us a shout here at the store. You can message us on Instagram, or you can call us or email us through the contact information on our website. Hope everybody has a great weekend. We are ready to chill for a little bit, yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next week. Everybody have an awesome weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.